Peace, Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're two do-it-yourselfers who met on a sailboat in 1988. 3 houses and 4 boats later, we're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey. Today is Rust Removal Friday. Hello, honey. What you been doing?
Oh, we've been working on rust. So, cleaned out the rust that was underneath here. And a little spot back up in there, in that area right there. And now I'm working around these 2 pipes, trying to make this drain. I'm gonna probably come in with fairing here to bring this up a little bit more so water will drain into that one better. And then there was a little spot underneath there. And then obviously a spot there and here. So, and then all this area I'm gonna put more fairing. Gonna do my new spots and then add more fairing to these and try to bring this up a little higher. That is what we are doing this morning. Just about got what we're gonna do today out of the way. So just need to do a little final cleaning up over there and then we'll do cleanup. Okay, later.
Don't touch your nose.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so we got all those areas ready. They're nice and clean, and I am mixing epoxy, and Jeannie is getting metal splinters. So anyway, we're getting ready to put the first coat of fairing on those, and then we'll thicken up more fairing on the rest of these guys. Later. So we use Total Fair on the boat. Been using it, oh geez, I guess this was the first product. Started using it when we first got the boat in 2018. Well, we got the boat in 2017, but we've been using this stuff since 2018, and it's worked really well. I wish it came in more than half-gallon buckets, and maybe it does now, I don't know.
Actually, Bill works at the Marble Slab, and he's
Yummy.
mixing up
Pistachio ice cream here.
well, yeah, it looks like lemon and blueberry ice cream, or bubblegum ice cream.
Well, doesn't that make pistachio? Add some chocolate chips to it, and we'd have mint chocolate chip here in a moment. Yeah, definitely need a bigger mixing board and a bigger mixing tool.
It's at home or it's in the shed.
Every tool that I thought of that I needed when I was up here a couple weeks ago,
we
didn't get any of them. Oh my goodness, just overflowing.
Let me see. Oh, it's beautiful, pistachio green.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Here, you want a bite?
Can I lick the spoon?
Oh yeah, here, let me give you the spatula. Here you go. Oh look, this still has a little bit of lemon available for you. Yum, 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 yum. Lick away. Okay, let's see if we can clean our tool off a little bit here. And start putting this stuff down. Give me a Scott towel and then hand me the camera. Okay, slowly getting this in here. Gotta try to make this as smooth as possible since it's a pain to do any sanding in here. And of course I'll play forever with trying to get it perfectly smooth and just make it worse and worse and worse. Come on. Of course it doesn't want to go in that little spot. Ding dang. Yeah, all the difficult areas are where all the problems are because they were difficult areas and the original person who did them did a crappy job. And I'm not doing much better. They put the fairing so thick. There was a big dam where the piece met up. Okay. Yeah. Trying to initially just get area with the stuff that it covered. I want to eventually get over all the proud areas, but there. Up behind here, I don't know how successful I'm going to be. Not very. Getting stuck on the... Okay. Okay. We did rust mitigation over there, and then we've put fairing pretty much everywhere. It's still kind of low right here in the center, so we'll put more in there eventually, and then we'll get it sanded and paint it. I'm out of fairing material, but I'll go ahead and put an initial coat of paint on some of this just to protect spots of steel that didn't get any fairing later.
Okay. Oh, I don't have hearing protection.
Try to put these in the right way. Ah. Come on. Oh. Okay, we're slowly getting this one to squeeze in. Okay. Those two small pieces. Need one there and up there. I may actually have one we can cut that from.
So are you taking the red off?
No. I wanted to leave the red on.
Right.
But it came off when I tried to pull the other Velcro piece off. Well, we got the strip in. It's not great because of course it's going on a curve there, and I screwed up the cut over there. And it looks like the red's unpeeling. Even more fun. And we still got those two areas to do later.